Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabay Entertainment jongani ezasemzumbe indaba azipheli. They are always fresh each time sana kuphuma indaba ezinje. Anyways, izolo guys birthday ka I nearly said wife sana. I can't really get this out of my mind. Ntoba uTirelo is not yet a fiance or wife akayongodu, so she's just nje baby mama. Guys, uMayeni did reveal this to us. Ntoba umama kaTirelo wathi kisa zonke izinto wathi uSibindi makaqale abe nento ayiphetheyo esandleni, and also kube khona indlu ke umntanakhe azomhlalisa kuyo, like an entire home. Not that ke xa seyitshatile uTirelo still umamakhe funeke abe assista financially. So for those reasons that I've given, kodwa no sicela ujike uqale uyolungisa impilo yakho. Kutsho kubani ke? Kutsho kuMpumelelo Mseleku. So izolo ke ebe celebrate her 26th birthday. Of course ke umyeni wakhe to be, guys, ngizothi umyeni wakhe to be because mna ndisacinga into yoba is the husband. Yeah, understand. Umyeni wakhe to be kuMpumelelo posted her. This is something that we obviously expected from him. But into besinga-expectanga is uMthombeni to celebrate birthday yomfazi womnye umntu. You understand? Because uMakhumalo, not so long ago, it was Makhumalo's birthday, and it took you ages. Like, we literally, as the viewers, had to drag you, had to beg you, had to asazi into about what we had to do, but you did not just post her willingly. We understand. So abantu bayothuka into banjani uba uposte umfazi womnye umntu on the day. Akudlulanga even 2 days wamposta on the days emushela happy birthday, ubhalile phayana ke happy birthday to makasingabakho. Kutsho bani ke? Kutsho uMthombeni sana, abambiza abamlandanga fresh kanje abantu bemkhumbuza into banjani Mthombeni. Also, I think, guys, this is so unnecessary at this point. Each time Mthombeni does something for Tirelo, we're going to drag Vuyokazi. Fans kaVuyokazi obviously are saying, why are you posting umntwana instead of posting uTirelo Mselufu? Because when it was Mhlophekazi's birthday, you literally posted Mhlophekazi, uVuyokazi and uNzulu. So why can't you post uTirelo, ngumntanakhe noMpumelelo? Because uTirelo is a fan of photo shoots. It's not like akanayo ifoto, you understand? So there were those comments that I don't want to really dwell on because they can go on and on and on, kesana. But the comments that were basically entertaining were the ones that Mthombeni was being called out for being one of the very first few people to wish uTirelo birthday, of which it's not wrong, but kuthiwa why ungayenzanga lonto kwiwife yakho but uyakwazi ugenza kwiwife yomnye umntu. Guys, your thoughts? Masike engage aneni and zonbona shortly.